The sixth extinction. Most species of plants and animals that have ever lived on Earth are now extinct. Though most have become extinct slowly, some have been almost completely wiped out in a sudden, massive, catastrophic event. These mass extinctions have happened at least 5 times in the history of the planet. The first mass extinction occurred about 450 million years ago, when melting glaciers caused sudden changes in sea levels, killing most marine species. The most recent mass extinction was 65 million years ago, when most scientists believe an asteroid struck Earth in Mexico and destroyed the dinosaurs. Now scientists claim that the sixth great extinction has already begun. This extinction is not being caused by one big event, but by a series of human actions that disrupt the environment. Edward O. Wilson, a Harvard University scientist, estimates that human harm will cause half of all species to become extinct by 2100. Scientists say that human activities are reducing the planet's biodiversity at a rate hundreds of times faster than ever before. Humans cause damage to the Earth in 3 primary ways. The first is exploitation. Humans hunt animals for food, clothing, and sometimes just for fun. They also collect plants and insects, such as butterflies, for recreation. The second way humans impact the planet is by putting alien plant or animal species into new environments. In Africa, for example, perch from Egypt's Nile River were placed into Lake Victoria by some fishermen. Nile perch are predators. Since their arrival, more than 200 native species of fish have disappeared from the lake. The third way humans cause damage is by destroying natural habitats. They clear trees from forests to build houses, farms, cities, and roads. One of the most terrible instances of habitat destruction is the cutting down of the tropical rainforests. It is estimated that these rainforests, which cover less than 10% of Earth, contain almost half of all the world's plant and animal species. Human activity has had a devastating effect on the natural environment. Each year, the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, an organization of scientists, releases a special red list. This is a breakdown of more than 77,000 animal and plant species by taxonomic group and conservation status. In 2015, the organization reported that 22% of our planet's mammals are threatened with extinction. The term threatened means that a species is either already endangered or likely to become endangered unless action is taken. It also found that almost 21% of all animals are threatened, including 31% of all amphibians and 13% of all birds. In the plant kingdom, incredibly, more than half of all species are listed as threatened. Of all species on the red list, well over 4,000 are critically endangered, which means they could disappear soon. What will happen to people if the sixth extinction takes place? Scientists say life on Earth will be grim. There will not be enough food to eat, and water will be too polluted to drink. New species of pests will invade the natural areas that remain. These invaders could carry new kinds of germs, causing diseases that human bodies cannot resist. Without plants to help cool the sun, the ice at the North and South poles could melt, causing sea levels to rise and wash away coastal cities. By wiping out other species, human beings might be paving the way for the greatest extinction of all, their own.